Students, today teach about the sixth generation of computer. The five generation computer learn well thorough. So now start the sixth generation of computers. Yeah, the sixth generation of computer could be defined as the era of intelligence computer based on the artificial neural networks. So which base using this network, sixth generation artificial neutral networks only using. So one of the most dramatic changes is the sixth generation will be explore the growth of the wide area network. So artificial neural networks use and change this wide area networks. The two networks base is using natural language processing is component the artificial intelligence. So two component using NLP and the component underline it provide the ability to develop the computer program to understand the human language. So 19th centuries the computers based abacus slide rule and not the machines. The terms computers calculating machines called the person performs calculating machines called the computers. The mechanical device they become the replace the human computers. Yeah, this side importance points noted. The optical character recognitions, optical grapheme recognitions, engines, underline. So learning neutral networks, subfield of the artificial intelligence. They give what purpose using this. They are totally 470 symbols, graphings and the characters into script of just 3700 script line using this format. So electronic computer is the electronic device input processing and producing the output data. For the reference this. So what is that? Data on information. Data means collection of information. Collection of raw data is called the data. So electronic device, we all know the what a computer is. So electronic device that perform the input according to the set of instruction, provide the given desired output at a very fast. Yes, the three lines very important. Definition of computers. So computers are very versatile as they do a lot of different tasks, store the data, weather, forecasting and the booking airlines. This all purpose using computers. Okay, what is a data? Data defined as the user defined collection of raw fact suitable for communication interpreters called the data. Information means processing. The two lines underlines are very important. Information means collection of fact from which the conclusions may be drawn. The simple words we can say. So data raw facts processing meaningful orders information. So input processing output. So input processing then output. So clearly explain to tomorrow their informations. Thank you children.